Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to enable nearby sharing in Windows 11, a great feature that lets you quickly share files, links, and documents between nearby Windows devices without using the internet. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Then, in the Settings window, click on the System section on the left side. After that, scroll down and select Nearby Sharing from the options. Now, you'll see Sharing options. Choose between My Devices only if you want to share files only between your own signed-in devices, or Everyone Nearby if you want to share with any nearby Windows 11 devices. Finally, once you make your selection, Nearby Sharing will be active, and you can start sending or receiving files instantly using the Share button in File Explorer or other apps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.